Meeting with the Honorable Minister for Water Resources and Jal Shakti and Mr. State Minister for Jal Shakti, Mr. Somana also was there. We apprised him, we requested whatever demand on various issues, including the award of this Krishna water, which has to be passed by the central government. There is no Supreme Court order not to award it. We apprised him. Twice the meeting was being scheduled, but due to some interference, I don't know, but it was been postponed. We have requested again. The Honorable Minister has assured that he is going to conduct a meeting as early as possible, number one. Number two, connected to Mekedatu also. We wanted whatever the reports has to come on the award. That also has to be award. Report, what is that?
Appraisal, technical appraisal note.
Technical appraisal note has to be given. So I think we have just pleaded before the central government, but so that urgency, whatever is from their side, ultimately it go to the court. We have to wait at the court. But whatever report has to be given from the authority, that has to be done earlier, and we have requested for the funds which they had promised earlier in the budget, 5,200 crores. Still our upper brother project that has not been done, and we have given about 6 more projects which has to be helped the state of Karnataka.